Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add and rearrange pages in WordPress in just a few minutes. We will begin by accessing the WordPress website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the WordPress address. Once the page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will find the login button. This is your gateway to managing your website content, so go ahead and click it. After clicking the login button, you will be presented with various options for signing in. For ease of access, select the option labeled Continue with Google. When you click this, a prompt will appear asking you to choose one of your Google accounts. Pick the account that you use for managing your WordPress site. Signing in with your Google account streamlines the process by eliminating the need for remembering another set of login credentials. Now that you are signed into WordPress, the next step is to navigate to the area where you manage your website's pages. Look for the section labeled Pages. This section is typically easily accessible through the main dashboard. By selecting Pages, you are entering the area where every page that makes up your website is listed. This is also the area where you can add new pages or modify the order of existing ones. When you are on the Pages screen, direct your attention to the top of the page. Here you will see a button that allows you to add a new page to your site. Click on this Add Page button, and a new page interface will open. Use this interface to input the title and content of the page you want to add. Taking a moment to consider the purpose and content of your new page can help guide you as you enter your information. Once you have successfully added a page, you might want to rearrange the pages to ensure they are displayed in the most logical order. To do this efficiently, locate the page you wish to reposition and click on the Quick Edit option associated with it. Quick Edit is designed to allow you to make swift adjustments without opening the full editor. When you select Quick Edit, a small set of options will appear beneath the page title. Within these quick options, find the order number field. This field determines the sequence in which pages appear on your website, with lower numbers typically appearing before higher ones. Adjust the order number to the desired value that reflects the placement you want for that page. Changing this number accordingly enables you to reorganize how your site's pages are laid out, ensuring an intuitive navigation experience for your visitors. After you have set the order number for your page, it is important to save your changes. To do this, simply click on the Update button. By clicking Update, you commit the changes you just made, and your website will now reflect the new page order. This final step ensures that your modifications are properly applied and that your website is structured exactly as you intend. This guide has walked you through each stage, from logging into your account and navigating to the Pages section, to adding a new page and rearranging its placement using Quick Edit, followed by updating the changes. Following these instructions will help you manage your website more effectively using the WordPress platform. Enjoy organizing your content and making your website user-friendly with these simple steps.